Scientists dropped this tiny creature into boiling water. It survived. They froze it for 30 years. It survived. They sent it to outer space with zero oxygen. It came back alive. This is not science fiction. This animal exists right now, and it might be living on your skin. Meet the tardigrade, also called the water bear. It's smaller than a grain of sand. You can't see it with your naked eye, but it is the toughest living thing on this entire planet. Scientists have been studying this creature for over 200 years, and every single time they try to kill it, it refuses to die. Here's what makes it be insane. When the environment becomes deadly, the tardigrade does something no other animal can do. It shuts down its entire body completely. No heartbeat, no breathing, no movement. Scientists call this state cryptobiosis. Basically, it becomes a tiny dry ball, almost like a dead seed. In this state, it can survive for years without food or water. Then, the moment you add a single drop of water, it wakes up like nothing happened. But that's not even the scary part. In 2007, the European Space Agency sent tardigrades into open space. No spacesuit, no oxygen, direct exposure to solar radiation, and the vacuum of space. Most living things would die in seconds. The tardigrades survived. They came back to Earth, and some even produced healthy offspring afterward. Scientists were shocked because almost nothing should be able to survive in space with copy these protective mechanisms and apply them to human cells. It could help protect cancer patients during radiation therapy, help astronauts survive long space missions, and potentially transform medicine. One tiny invisible creature could help change the future of humanity. But here's the question nobody is asking. If tardigrades can survive boiling water, freezing temperatures, radiation, and outer space, what exactly can kill them? Scientists have tried extreme pressure, toxic chemicals, and many other harsh conditions. Yet the tardigrade keeps surviving. There is one weakness, though, and it's something completely unexpected. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures. Not a quick dip in boiling water, but sustained heat over long periods. That appears to be one of the few things that can seriously threaten them. Which means that as global temperatures continue to rise, even the creature scientists once believed could outlive almost everything may be vulnerable to climate change. The unkillable animal, threatened by a warming planet. And here's the final thought that might keep you awake tonight. Scientists estimate that enormous numbers of tardigrades live in moss, soil, puddles, oceans, and countless other places across Earth. They are everywhere. In your garden, in water around you, possibly even on your body right now. They have survived multiple mass extinctions, including the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. They were here long before humans arrived, and they will likely remain long after we are gone. The last survivors of Earth may not be humans. They may not even be cockroaches. They could be these tiny creatures that most people have never heard of. And that makes you wonder, in the grand story of life on Earth, are we really the dominant species, or are we simply temporary guests on a planet shared with organisms far more resilient than we are?